everyone, welcome to my channel 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and in today's video I'm bringing you makeup and music, girlfriend. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. A lot of you have been requesting makeup tutorials from me for me to show you how I've been coming up with these gorgeous looks lately, so I decided, you know what, why not start filming when I do my makeup? I love to crank up my music, zone out, and really have a good time when I'm doing it, so I said I'm going to start filming it for you guys. So I'm going to be doing it today. I'm going to be using 90% Juvia's Place products in today's video, so if you've been wanting to buy them or if you own them, I'm going to be showing you how I tend to use their products. I have quite a few, so I think you're going to like that. I'm moisturizing my face right now with the Cerave Salicylic Acid Rough and Bumpy Skin Cream. I really love this for moisturizing before I do my makeup because I like products that are kind of tacky on my skin. I don't like anything oily because oily things makes my makeup break up, okay? So if you have issues with your makeup breaking up, not your relationship, then it's probably because you're using a lot of oily products. So you may want to try out this cream if you are having issues with that. But I'm moisturizing my skin now. I'm going to be priming my skin using the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. That's what I'm going to be priming with. And I am also going to set my primer using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Those are, for the most part, the only products that I'm not going to be using, that are not Juvia's Place. Everything else is going to be Juvia's Place with the exception of my moisturizer, my primer, setting powder, and my eyebrow products. So with that being said, I don't want to talk too much. I want to crank up my music. The music I am listening to is not what you guys are going to hear, so please don't think a girl don't have rhythm, because I can get my groove on, believe that, okay? I'm going to be bumping all the ratchetness in the world, but of course for copyright reasons I cannot play that music for you guys. But yeah, this is gonna be a good video. So with that said, turn up the music and let's get into it.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She laced the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is in mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. My heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy at a poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror in different poses. Me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a road to top, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my place, then they take it. Yeah, new sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing balance. Where I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm young and I'm careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever. Cause these days, I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away. It's all on my face. You know I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Yeah. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah, stream money, anything. They don't tell it where I live. Probably someone in the waves. Things been going my way. Yeah, hope the feeling don't fade. No, no, stream money, anything. They don't tell it where I live. Probably someone in the waves. Wave. So negative, how they envy how I edit it. Live my life just like it's precious. Just give me the mic and light it under lights. I put a knife and pressure, they fabricate it. Yeah, I been as quick to set them straight. Yeah, I'm really next to detonate. California on the birth certificate. I be claiming they ain't seen the wave. I be painted on the level up. The tattered garments better starving artists. It's like 09, that was go time. Closed mind, that's where my heart is. Heart ain't need a placement. For my family's sake, I been through some things, make a better way. Why do I put out of place here? Why they all in my face? Nobody better with the rhetoric. Tupac Shakur with the predicates. West side, you dead right. But I'm hating lanes from my side, quick to switch, I tell them to behave. From the attic to the airwaves, give me 5 for the airplay. Multi-million rockin' money plotting, going up, yeah, I just elevated. Staircase, I'm headed to the paper print for this is how I was folded planes. Now we on, let them serenade. I see the chief for better days. I been down and out, I need a change, I flip it into $1. Flip with my people, fuck that hatred, they dismissing evil. Yeah, we are equal, I point out the obvious. They carbon, they copy us, rose gold, the neck is decorated. Scream the power to the populace. Want it all, but nothing opposite. Yeah, cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel it's all on my face. Yeah, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Yeah. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah, stream money, anything. They don't tell it It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when you get closer. You feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless. Because I get nervous. I told you to dance in the blizzard. Soaking my dancing when you are under the weather. Soaking my dancing. Don't break my heart. Do you remember? Don't break my heart. Soaking my dancing. Don't break my heart.
Okay folks, so here is the completed look, and I must say I'm absolutely loving it. As you saw in the video, most of the products that I used were Juvia's Place, with the exception of my eyebrow products, my primer, setting powders, and my setting spray. Everything else was Juvia's Place. I even used the mini palettes for my blush and my highlighter, and do y'all see how that blush and highlighter is popping? Girl, these mini palettes are so bomb. I really love them. I have a bunch of Juvia's Place eye palettes, but for some reason these minis are so bomb because they just make it so much easier to like do a look with a certain color scheme. Like you have it all in that one palette, and I really love them. And yeah, definitely gonna bring you guys more of these videos. I'm probably gonna do an e.l.f. tutorial because I have a lot of e.l.f. makeup products. Even the new foundation that they just came out with, I recently purchased it. I'm also gonna do a NYX tutorial. I have a Kevyn Aucoin tutorial because I do have a lot of Kevyn Aucoin makeup and so forth as well. So stay tuned for a lot more of these videos. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description. As you can see, I am rubbing on this ponytail because I am feeling this look. Y'all, I gotta go outside and take me some pictures. Oh my goodness. I am just loving this berry smoky eye girlfriend. I am feeling this, and I want to thank everybody for watching. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I bring you all types of fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos, and I know you're gonna love my content. So hit that subscribe button so you can join our little family here, and I will see all of you guys on the next video. I gotta get outside because I'm feeling this. I'm loving this look, but I had so much fun making this video. So looking forward to making many more. Anyway, I gotta get outside and take some pictures, y'all. See y'all on the next one.